Hey everyone, so today we're talking about lines of symmetry. A line of symmetry is when you draw a line through the middle of an object, and it is the exact same on both sides. So I'm going to start with an example of a square. The square is blue on one side and red on the other side. So that way, if I fold it and it's not a line of symmetry, then we'll be able to see one of the other colors through the side that we folded. So the easiest way that you can fold this is like that. So you see on either side you look at, we don't see any red marks. That means this is a line of symmetry. I'm going to mark it with my black marker. But a square has more than one line of symmetry, and some shapes do have more than one line of symmetry, and that's okay. So I can fold it this way. See, again, there is no red that is visible. So that is my second line of symmetry. But a square has more. I can fold it diagonally. See how there's no red on either side? That is my third line of symmetry. But a square has one more. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. And that shows you all the lines of symmetry for a square. So if you look at the square with all its lines of symmetry drawn on it, you can see it like this. Notice all the lines of symmetry go through the same central point in the shape. I'm going to show you a few more examples. A rectangle. A rectangle has a few lines of symmetry. We can fold it that way. We don't have any blue. That's one line of symmetry. And we can fold it this way. So to have our second line of symmetry, what if we tried to fold it diagonal like the square? Sorry, I need a hard surface to help me fold this. If we fold it diagonal like the square, you can see the blue side through it. That means it's not symmetrical. So a rectangle only has 2 lines of symmetry. Our triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle will have 1, 2, and 3 lines of symmetry. If it's not an equilateral triangle, it will only have 1 line of symmetry. And if it is a scalene triangle and it has no equivalent sides, no equal sides, then that means that it won't have any lines of symmetry. So it just depends on the type of triangle that it is. That's why it's important that we went over those the other day. Okay, let's talk about the circle. The circle, I can fold it once. I can fold it a different way. And I could fold it a different way. There are endless ways that you could fold the circle to have lines of symmetry, which means that a circle has infinite lines of symmetry. You could keep folding it and keep folding it and keep drawing lines of symmetry because a circle has endless lines of symmetry. It is infinite. Now let's look at a classic parallelogram. If you take your classic parallelogram and you fold it in half, you see the other side. So it wouldn't be a line of symmetry. If you folded it in half that way, you can see it on either side, so it's not a line of symmetry. If you tried to fold it diagonal, not a line of symmetry. For it to be a line of symmetry, it has to be exactly the same on each side, which means that when you fold it, you won't see anything on the other side. All right, guys, so today for your lesson, you are drawing lines of symmetry. If you're struggling with it, you can always draw your shape and try to fold it yourself like I did. Okay, guys, have a great day, and I look forward to hearing from you.